Hi there, this is Ellie Alasantra. I'm with VibraSoul Art, and I am doing a demonstration today. I am working on the crown chakra art. It's my latest piece, and here is what it looks like. And I have different layers and different patterns and different colors. So right now I'm going to be adding a layer that I received during my meditations, and it was to use a top and to dip it into paint and kind of let it go free on the board. And when I asked why, what they told me was that it was for us to play. It's a reminder that we should go ahead and play and not take life so seriously. Okay, let's go ahead. I went ahead and I did some practice ones. So let's see, I like the way that lots of circles, and the crown chakra is all about circles and spheres. So it just kind of, this is all random, so I don't know what this one's going to look like, but we'll find out shortly. I've already mixed up my paint. It's beautiful lilac, deep color lilac, and I have my top, so let's try. So I'm dipping it in the paint just a little bit, and I'm just going to toss it and see where it goes. And I'm just going to repeat this process in different areas just to get the little rounds, all the little lines there. Just remind us to play. And that was a long one. I'll wipe it off a little bit, get a clean line, and toss it over here. And I'll just keep doing this for a few more times to add more color, since the crown chakra is all about whites and purples and violets. And there's also some other colors, because with the crown chakra, it envelops all the other major chakras. So I have red for root, I have oranges here for the sacral chakra, I've got lots of yellow swirls for the solar plexus, I have green